This is a lily. So this is lily plant. This is what the flower look like, and this is the plant look like. So this lily, the lily that I use for my pregnancy preparation. So I use the root to drink when I have my period, and then I use another herb to help me with the getting ready for pregnancy. So this is the plant I use. So I use the root. So you pull out the root. The root have a couple the root have the I don't have time to. I can't pull out, but I try to. So this is the lily.